Hey, what's up YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get Zayn Malik's hair from his new song and in his video Entertainer. And I'm going to turn this mannequin into Zayn Malik. So I'm ready to go. Let's get started. All right, so I just want to go over the color real quick. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using a professional lightener here. And just keep in mind that Zayn's natural hair color is really, really dark. And I know that a lot of you guys watching probably have extremely dark hair and you think you could just put bleach on or color on and it's gonna turn platinum blonde. Well, if your hair is dark, I mean like a medium brown or dark brown or black, I do not suggest doing this because your hair will probably turn out orange, or it's gonna take you, four times or so to bleach it light enough. This is something I suggest a professional, and Zayn probably has a team of people that can do this. And you'll even notice on his hair in this video that it's not like true platinum. You still can see some of his underlying warmth. And that's what happens with hair color, is that everyone has natural underlying warmth in their hair. And the darker your natural hair color is, the more red or so you're going to see when you bleach it, or more yellow. So I would suggest doing this if your hair is definitely more on the light brown and lighter side to get a true platinum blonde. So I'm going to apply this throughout the whole entire head, let it process, and then we'll come back and see what it looks like. All right, here is the finished result, and as you can see, it came out pretty good, I think, and I just want to break it down what I did. Now, I had previously buzzed the sides, probably like a number 0, pretty high up, and then a slight fade into this, into here, and then it works into probably about, I'd say, an inch on top, and then no more than an inch and a half throughout the entire top for the most part. No real disconnection or anything. It's just high and tight and just kind of works into the top. I add a little bit of texture to it. Also the color, I did bleach the hair. Again, it's something that I suggest you get done in the salon, especially because Zayn's hair is really, really dark. You will probably end up getting a very, very bright yellow if your hair is really, really dark. I did a video actually on this recently about bleaching dark hair, so definitely check it out. Then I blow dried it and used Clutch XL to finish it, and here is the finished result. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.